Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Rolls-Royce has revealed the second of 4 Droptails, and this one is called Amethyst, a name inspired by the birthstone of the coachbuilt Rolls-Royce customer sons. Rolls-Royce built an entirely unique platform made from steel, carbon fiber, and aluminum for the Droptails too. Outside is painted in amethyst and a lighter shade inspired by the globe amaranth wildflower. The deck is made from wood veneer made from calamander ligap and wood. It drives its engine from the Rolls-Royce family, and this is a 6.75-liter double T V12 making 593 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque. This wood was tested to the same level as the other exterior panels, meaning it can withstand extreme temperatures and is completely rain and sunlight proof. Rolls-Royce even patented this new coating. It look expert to examine over 100 logs of wood to find the perfect grain. The grille is special too, being both hand-brushed and polished, while the carbon fiber is finished by amethyst pigment lacquer. There is also a matching Vacheron Constantin watch. Okay guys, what do you think about Rolls-Royce Droptail Amethyst? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.